Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 4th March 2025. In this video, let us evaluate the performance of high liquidity zones generated in the previous end of the day report. Even before that, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. And the cost of the training is over $8,000, but we are providing complete free training and all the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel homepage, click on the tab Posts. Some of you might be seeing the tab Community in place of Posts. So click on the Community tab. You get access to this post. This post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. You just click on the link. Now we are into supply demand zone price action course. I kept all the training lessons in this playlist, and here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are placed in an order. So you need to start the training from lesson 1.1, which is there at the bottom of the page. And also you should understand all the lessons are kept in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one according to the training instructions I mentioned at our Telegram channel. I provided the link to our Telegram channel in this video description. So join the Telegram channel. At the Telegram channel, top of the window, you can find pinned messages. Click on the pinned messages. There you can find all the training instructions. If you learn this course according to my training instructions, you will become a very good independent trader in the coming months. So please make use of this opportunity. Now let's get into the analysis of our high liquidity zones. Before that, look into Nifty. Once again, Nifty entered into this fine-tuned 5-minute zone inside weekly pierced zone. Yesterday we have discussed in detail, and today also prices entered into the zone. This is even more clean trade today because prices entered inside the zone. Yesterday you would have kept entry buffer. Even without keeping entry buffer also you would have got the trade. But today it gave you 100 points from here. Move it might have given you. So maybe Nifty traders would have captured 100 points profit. So nothing much to discuss. Only thing you should understand the power of our pierced zones. And this is the analysis we did almost 1.5 months back. That is 14th January. We discussed Nifty monthly demand zone. Okay, now let's get into the HLQ zones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zones we identified from daily and 75 minutes time frame. So we did not get any trades today. But if anybody would have looked into the aggressive trade setup, you would have got a very good trade from Jindal Steel. But not fine-tuned zone. Fine-tuned zone, yesterday we got the trade. We got a successful trade from the 3 minutes fine-tuned zone. Because 5-minute structure is not good, we went to the 3 minutes. In the 3-minute structure, we identified. If anybody would have taken a second trade today, your trade would have been stopped out. First of all, why we should take a second trade today? It's already tested zone, you may say. Because somebody may feel here we have a drop, 2 base candle rally, LOTL zone is there. Maybe it could be a high liquidity zone. That way you might have taken a second trade. But today violated. So that's why I'm saying the LOTL zone, we can't 100% confirm the zone is a high liquidity. Why I'm saying this is only 80% confidence level. 80% scenarios, the zones work well. But 20% scenarios, they may not work. It may not be high liquidity. See, today that is the scenario. So that's why I'm saying if anybody. But anyway, this zone is already performed, gave a good profit yesterday. But still, people might have got a very good profit in today if you might have used aggressive trade setups. But nowadays I am strongly discouraging aggressive trade setup related trades because many times you are making mistakes. But one situation I gave you permission. What is that? If that aggressive, the 5-minute zone is a high liquidity zone, you can plan aggressive trade setups. But here we have 3-minute zone only. So that's why 3 minutes, 1 minute level, you should be very careful because you don't have experience. That's why yesterday also I did not discuss about this particular concept. If you would have looked into yesterday 3 minutes time frame, carefully if you would have observed, a 3 minutes high liquidity zone is there. I focused only on the 3 minutes fine-tuned zone. I didn't go to the 3 minutes high liquidity zone. But see here, if you see there is a 3 minutes high liquidity zone here. You have a drop base rally. See here you have a drop base rally. Again LOTL zone is created. Here also again you see drop base rally. Here also you see drop base rally. Here also drop base rally. So this is the 3 minutes. Let me delete our yesterday's analysis. You get better understanding. Now focus only on this zone. Let us assume nothing is there. See today what happened? Price entered into the zone and almost deep inside again sharply moved up. And reached our yesterday whatever the 15 minutes target zone, that level it reached. It went beyond that. Maybe you might be having a new 15 minutes targets might be available. So nothing, the same thing. Today also it reached. Similar kind of profit you would have got from this aggressive trade setup. So this is the area the prices are moving. So this is a 3 minutes aggressive trade setup. But anyway, nowadays I don't want you people get distraction by focusing only on aggressive trades because this is the first experience. We have seen some 8-9 months back. We were actively discussing aggressive trades in the HLQ zone analysis videos. Many aggressive trades we registered in our Excel sheet. And people, instead of looking for fine-tuned zones, they are started looking for aggressive trades. Many people. Due to lack of experience or inexperience, many mistakes made and people lost money. Aggressive trade setup, properly you have to analyze. Many times what happens, you may feel that is an aggressive trade setup, but our analysis may not be accurate. That is what happened. Some experience is required. Unless you have good experience, decision making is very, very difficult. Make mistakes. So that's why, especially for the last few months, 4 to 5 months onwards, completely I stopped focusing on aggressive trade setups. Only high liquidity zones, that to 5 minutes high liquidity zones, aggressive trade setups we are considering. 5 minutes high liquidity zone aggressive trade setups. Of course, 3 minutes, 1 minutes also we are focusing once in a while, but not regularly because I don't want you people get caught again. But at some point of time you should gain experience. That's why time to time, once in a while, I am showing you these aggressive trade setup related trades. Especially those days when we don't get proper trades. Because in a month, at least 2 or 3 days, maximum, not minimum, maximum, you won't be getting any trades, HLQ zone trades, won't be executed. In such kind of scenarios, I am focusing on these aggressive trades and then I am letting you know how you can plan. Actually, yesterday itself I have seen this. But why I didn't focus? I don't want any distraction from, because here we have a fine-tuned zone, a 5 minutes fine-tuned zone here. It came from aggressive, from this zone only, the drop base rally. But this is a fine-tuned inside 15 minutes zone. That's why I focused only on this area. But actually, if you consider very strictly, here you should plan your trade and here you should keep your stop loss. So risk will be very high here, right? I just simply ignored this. Focused only on the fine-tune. So that your understanding and your focus initial stage also on these areas. But at some point of time, you should also update your skills. You should also get better experience. by focusing on the aggressive trades. So that's why I'm asking you initial stage, focus only HLQ zones up to 5 minutes time frame. You can go to 3 minutes or 1 minute level, but you should be very careful when we are moving to very low level high liquidity zones, because their lifespan is small compared to the 5 minutes time frame. So if anybody would have, so maybe some of you are already having experience, because doing trading for the last 1 year, using our strategy successfully, you are doing. So any of such kind of people, maybe you would have got this trade, this aggressive trade setup related trade today. So today it gave very good profit. And remember, this is not a morning 9:15 1 minute candle. Go to 1 minute, you will understand. See here, this is morning 9:16 candle. This is 9:17 candle. This is 9:18 candle. Almost 3 minutes prices are inside this zone. So definitely your trade would have been executed. And when it reached the target at morning 10 o'clock 3 minutes. So that means within 45 minutes your trade is completed. Or less than 1 hour your trade is completed. How much profit you would have got? Similar kind of profit you got yesterday for JSW Steel, or a little extra money you would have got. Because yesterday you took the trade here. Today little below. Okay. Anyway, I am not entering these statistics into our Excel sheet, because I don't. Because at this point of time you should understand the seriousness. Our focus is only on the fine-tuned zones. Aggressive trade setups in 5 minutes HLQ zones. 3 minutes and 1 minutes are quite risky for you at your experience level, because this is a 3 minutes level aggressive trade setup. Let's focus on this later. Remaining all, we did not get any trades. Look into first one, MFSL. This is a daily high liquidity zone. Rally, 2 base candles rally, go to 75 minutes. Inside the zone there are no order flows, but there is a lesson 22 concept. Lower time frame origin as an to the higher time frame zone. See, this is inside the zone. Inside the zone the structure is not good. Even if you draw rally to 3 base candles rally, this zone is again same as 75 minutes zone. The actual order flow is here. Here you have the actual order flow. How? See here, failed ERC as a rally candle. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base candles and a rally candle. Or some of you may say, I want to consider this as a medium size leg candle, these 2 base candles, then also rally, 2 base candles rally. It's the same zone, there won't be any difference. Whether you consider this as a leg candle, leg in, or you consider this leg in, there won't be any difference on the price structure of this zone. Okay, so we have this 75 minute zone, which is overlapped with daily high liquidity zone. This 75 lower time frame horizon again fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame. See in the 15 minutes here. In the 15 minutes you have drop, 2 base candles and a rally candle. Drop, base, rally. This is the 15 minute zone. Inside the 15 minutes, at the proximal line there is a 5 minute zone. Again at the middle of the zone there is another 5 minutes. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. See here, this is a candle, a failed ERC candle as a leg in. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base candles and a rally candle. This is the way you can draw a fine-tuned 5 minute zone. Again you see rally, base, rally. And this area is origin for this entire daily zone. See, from here it picked up the orders and sharply moved. Probably this is the area strong institutional order flow might be there. If you feel risk is high, go for type 2 proximal. Sometimes you will be missing the trade. That possibility is there. Okay. But anyway, today prices did not enter into the zone. Next one is mother son. This is 75. This is daily high liquidity supply zone. This is the drop candle. You have 1, 2 base candles. Third one medium size candle is also part of the base. And then with hidden body, this is a drop candle. This is how our software identified. And this zone is fine tuned with 75 minutes. At 75 minutes time frame, here we have two order flows. One is a drop, 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles, and a drop candle with hidden body. And there is one more, see here with the hidden body, this is a drop candle. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles. Again, this is a drop candle, dynamic view. This is looking like a failed ERC. So failed ERC, dynamic view, this is a drop candle. That way we can consider. So these 75 minutes order flows, this is the bottom one is not having any fine-tuned zones. Why? Look into 15 minutes, you will get clarity. Look into the 15-minute structure. So many base candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 base candles and a drop candle. So such kind of zones will be violated easily. So this is the reason why don't have any interest in this zone. But here you have multiple order flows here. First of all, 15 minutes order flow is one, 5 minutes multiple are there. So what is 15 minutes? Here you have a rally candle, you have 1, 2, 3 base candles, and then again you have a drop candle with dynamic view point of view. This is not a rally candle, a drop with dynamic view. Oh, sorry, not this one, here. You add the hidden body. The moment you add the hidden body, this is a drop candle, big drop candle you will get, hidden body. Okay, now go to the 5 minutes time frame. You get clarity. In the 5 minutes, multiple order flows are there. Among multiple order flows, two are already tested. One is a fresh zone. See the top one, rally, base, drop. Actually, this is a medium size candle. Mostly you keep this medium also inside the zone. But why I didn't keep is here imbalance started from this candle and continued here. This is the actual leg out. But actual imbalance is started. That way I am identifying this is the area institutional order flow will be there. So that's why identifying the starting position of imbalances will help you to reduce the risk of your zones. Maybe sometimes you may miss the trade, price come here. See here this candle, price came here and again sharply came down. Actually this is also an indication. See before that we have a strong order flow. Generally you keep some entry buffer. Next time definitely price enter into the entry buffer in case if it doesn't go inside and it will come down. Okay, and next again another rally, medium size rally candle, base candle, and again drop candle with hidden body. This is a big drop candle. And this zone is tested. See in this candle it is tested. Type 2 is also tested. So that's why we can't plan a trade in this zone. And similarly here also you see you have drop, base, drop. Okay, actually I looked into even 3 minutes candle in this area. That way I have drawn the zone. See 3 minutes. This is a rally candle at the hidden body. Again rally candle, base candle. Here drop, follow through candles. So that way I have drawn this 5 minutes and this area is also tested. See here, this is also tested. So that's why our focus should be on this particular zone. But anyway, today prices did not enter into the zone. We didn't get any trade opportunity today. And next another daily high liquidity supply zone, PEL. PEL, you have drop, 2 base candles drop. I didn't fine tune with 75. That means 75 minute structure is not good. Go to 75 minutes. See, the 75 minute structure is not at all good. You have a drop candle, again drop candle. This is failed ERC. No base candles in between. It looks like some drop, medium size, but again prices moved above the zone. So here the structure I am not at all comfortable. Mostly this zone might be violated. This is 15 minute structure. Anyway, we go to 15 minutes, it will be aggressive trade setup, but even 15 minute structure also I am not really much comfortable here. The pivot is here in this area. So PEL I left, and next one is Ramco Cement. This is also daily high liquidity supply zone. Previously we analyzed this stock and left with 75 minutes zone. See, go to the 75. We have a 75 minute zone here. Drop, failed ERC, 2 base candles, drop. But within this area, 15 minutes structure is not good. This is the area of no proper 15 minute structure here. And price also went deep inside. Next time also see here price went deep inside. We don't have any proper zones inside. So that's why we didn't plan any trades in this area also. This one we already discussed. And the next one is 75 minutes demand zone. Jindal still just now we discussed. We have an aggressive trade setup. 3 minute zone is there. That is only for experienced people's point of view. Next one is, the last one is LTTM. This is also L&T Mindtree. This is also 75 minutes supply zone, high liquidity supply zone, but this is also not having any order flow inside. Go to 15 minutes, structure is not good. See 15 minute structure. Let me hide this candle, you will get the clarity. See, this is a drop candle. And all these candles are base candles, not a qualified leg out because candle is there inside the zone, but a large candle compared to the others. After that again another drop candle with big one. Because of the scale adjustment, all these candles become small candles. Even if you consider all these are all small candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then drop, so many base candles drop. So you can't plan any trade here. This is not a comfortable structure for me. So that's why I just left it. But anyway, today also prices did not go to this zone. So that means today we didn't get any trade opportunities unless you used this Nifty what we discussed yesterday. If you would have taken a trade here, you would have got at least 100 points move you would have captured. This is the only opportunity. And that too this we discussed yesterday, HLQ analysis video. And today prices entered exactly into the zone now. If anybody missed the trade opportunity because you need to keep some entry buffer to get the trade, definitely today you would not have missed the opportunity. But only problem is today it gave you only 100 points more, not beyond that. It could have given even more bigger move, but it did not happen today. Probably in this gap area, a lot of order flow might have kept institutions. It is not consumed fully, the gap area. But something is better than nothing. 100 points, instead of getting nothing, getting 100 points is a good opportunity. Maybe you would not have got good ROI today. Price stayed within this area only, it stayed most of the day. Now it is almost closing hour, last 5 minutes of closing the market. But 100 points you would have captured. Something is better than nothing. 100 points is a good profit in Nifty. So this is about our today's video. Hope this information will be useful to you. Let's all meet again in our next video. Thank you.